Bitcoin is still due for a correction. The shakeout is gonna be big enough, in my opinion, that is gonna disappoint a lot of people because we have been going sideways for 7 months, over 7 months, and a lot of altcoins have been melting. If you guys have been holding on your altcoins, I know it is hard to just be disappointed for 7 months, but we are getting very close to the alt season that I have been explaining in my videos. Around 60 to 65%. Once we reach around this area where the last bull run for the altcoins started in 2021 March, we saw that Bitcoin crashed very hard because it was losing in dominance and a lot of altcoins started rallying. But I am holding my 100% altcoins. I am 0 Bitcoin and 0 cash right now. Okay, so even if we're gonna go crazy down, guys, as I said, I am in this with you, but I'm just gonna still hold on my altcoins. I am not going to care if we go for another shakeout for Bitcoin that is gonna most likely, we can still go to $71,000 where we have a lot of these resistance. It's gonna fool a lot of people. Still, this is my plan. This is what I'm thinking that is gonna happen. We can see that Bitcoin is gonna do 5 waves up, like for Elliott wave theory, and the 5th wave is going to probably stop Bitcoin and go for another 3 wave down. 3 wave down can be a sharp one, and USDT confirms it. So in my Telegram group, free Telegram group, if you guys haven't joined, go ahead and join. It's in description. All my links, go ahead and check it out. It's still USDT, although broke below and it became bullish a little bit, but it went back above this line. And if you guys do not know, USDT needs to go down for us to become bullish, and altcoins and Bitcoin can rally that way. But if USDT, as long as USDT looks bullish and is still above this line and is not passing this level of support, where I have explained in my previous video how the opposite correlation works with USDT and BTC, we had a huge correction once BTC went to $65,000 around this area where I called it perfectly. We went down almost 20%. So there is a good chance that, and this is the total market cap, guys, we can still go a little bit lower, and I'm going to show you guys in more details. I'm going to zoom in. I want you guys to pay attention. This chart is still showing that although this looks very similar to Bitcoin's chart, this is the total market cap, and Bitcoin has already hit the 3rd time to this line, but total market cap still has not. So there is a good chance that we're going to go back down to this red candle, because I see that this red candle closed very bearish and this green candle could not go above. So there's a good chance that that was a really good pullback before going back down to this level and start going for another wave up. And if we go to that level, guys, there's a huge resistance waiting for market cap, total market cap, and that's going to make sense that Bitcoin can go up to 70, 71, 72,000 dollars. So I'm going to give a range because we do not know exactly how much of that total market cap is going to pour into only BTC. So it's really hard to say, but for me, because I am seeing a lot of resistance, and even if we consider that all of that money is going to pour into Bitcoin and not all altcoins, there's a good chance that we're going to see another wave up to $71,000, $72,000. And then a lot of people are going to get bullish. And you guys know, you should know that crypto is a fooling game. Okay, that's why I put it in my thumbnail last time. I'm going to put it this time as well, because this is what a lot of people is going to fall for, because they're going to think that we have broken above, but you're going to have to see that total market cap is still stuck under this resistance level. We need to break above almost $2.46 trillion in total market cap above this level to do a healthy pullback, and hopefully it's not going to be a fake out. And we need to see that for several days we should go sideways or just go back on top of this level before making a new high. That's going to make sense that if USDT goes up to this level, guys, this is the red candle for BTC, the opposite. Then this is green candle for USDT, so we can still go up to this level. So I'm going to just put it like right here. This is the scenario I'm looking at for the bullishness of Bitcoin and a little bit of bearishness for USDT. So we can still go higher for USDT, get to this level, get rejected. So if we go up to this level, BTC is going to pull back a little bit more, maybe down to $64,000, even $63,000, then go for another high at the same time. And it's going to same thing is going to happen for total market cap and BTC dominance, guys. As I said before, the amount of money that is going to get out of BTC and altcoins, if it's at the same time, if it's same amount, BTC dominance is not gonna change that much. Okay, so we can still have a sharp drop back down to even $43,000, because as I said, USDT still shows that. And I'm gonna show you guys, I put a screenshot in my Telegram group that how I still gave a scenario that we can still go up to 7% where we started crashing and started the zigzag. We had a sharp spike for USDT, which we saw $49,000 for BTC. As I said, this is USDT opposite correlation, but we did not reach the highest point, but we can have that this time. Okay, so it's still, there is a chance that we're gonna go back down to this level and have a sharp going up. And I'm gonna show you guys in 1 hour chart. Just remember this, what this looks like in daily candle. And I'm gonna go to 1 hour candle, actually 1 hour chart. And yesterday when we were around this area, I said that, if you guys remember, I said this looks very like USDT in daily chart. Okay, so basically we had this sharp drop, then had this zigzag, we had a pullback, but we had another pullback a little bit higher than this, but this time we completely filled it. Okay, so we can still go in daily candle, sharp drop, huge sharp, like crazy drop that is gonna disappoint a lot of people. That's where you need to be tested. You're gonna be tested. You're gonna have to be strong to still see if you are the man of this market. Okay, so again, we can still go higher to this level, but this is what I'm looking at. And if we look at, just zoom out in daily candle, it looks very like how it looks like that is going to probably go for another high. Okay, and another high can take us up to 7% before going back down. Okay, so this is still what I'm looking at. And thank you guys for your support. 126 likes for the last video. Okay, and I need another 130 likes at least, please. So give that thumbs up. All I'm asking you for this channel, to support this channel, is your likes. And if you can share, that will be awesome, because these are valuable lessons and valuable education that I'm giving you guys. Okay, and so if BTC, if we see something like this back down to this level, it would totally make sense for USDT that is gonna go, where's USDT? So USDT can go up, make a new and higher high for USDT and lower high for BTC, where we have the next level of support. Okay, so I'm going to put this support level where we have a gap too. This level has a gap around $42,000, which I had showed you the Ichimoku cloud before. Okay, so Ichimoku cloud has not been touched yet. There is another one around $54,000. That is the CME gap I had showed you before. So we can still experience something like this before going back up. I know that it's going to be very crazy for a lot of people to even want to think about it, but I had showed you guys before what happened in the previous bull market. In the mid bull cycle of the last time, we had 57% drop from the all-time high that it made first around $65,000, then crashed 57% and started going and made a new all-time high. And we have confirmed it with USDT chart. Okay, so the USDT chart, if I want to go back to get out of the logarithmic, I had covered it many times in this channel, that what happened in here. So we had the top, literally this was our cheat sheet, but unfortunately I didn't know about it. So that's why I am letting you guys know again, once we get to this level, does not matter where BTC is in price or altcoins, I'm going to get out completely. Okay, so you need to subscribe, and you need to take this journey with me actually if you want. So we are buying a lot of coins with our members. No matter if we're going to have that sharp drop, that's going to be the best buying opportunity. Okay, so that's why I am showing you this to you guys, to know that I am all altcoins and I'm not going to care where BTC is going. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed and you hit the notification button, join the Telegram group, and like this video, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.